Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 50 Lite, and today I will show you how you can record your screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it and look for the toggle, which for me is located right over here. Now I did add couple toggles, so the chances are that for you this toggle is in a little bit of a different position than it is for me, but it should be somewhere here. Once you locate it, you can hold it, which does apparently nothing, so you can't really hold it. So we can just simply tap on it, and this will ask for permission to microphone because it can record your sounds through microphone if you choose to. And then we have screen recording. During screen recording, all operations on the screen will be recorded. Now this is not necessarily true, because things like, for instance, Netflix will not be recorded, your bank accounts will not be recorded, and passwords that you're typing in also will not be recorded. Those are the ones that I know for a fact from experience that are not recorded. There is a possibility that there's more of them, but I don't know about them. Those are the ones that I know for a fact. Now, another point is this feature requires access to the microphone. It doesn't really, so I just select OK. The reason for it is I think it turns on automatically microphones. Let's see. Yep, it does. So when you start recording, it automatically has the mic off. So if you don't want to use it, you can quickly toggle it off and make it look like this. If it's on blue, that means that it's utilizing it. So from here, whatever you will do right now will be recorded by the device. So keep that in mind. And once you're done recording, you can interact with this overlay by tapping on the time, and this will stop the recording. From here, we can share it if you want to, or you can just completely disregard it and it will, as you can see, disappear. That recording can be found in your gallery app, so don't worry, it's still on your phone, which it does create a specific folder for it right in a video, assuming you haven't already captured any videos. So we can tap on it, and there it is. So tap on it again and allow, so we can now view it. Now I wasn't doing anything for the first 10 seconds, so just give it a couple seconds to, well, before actually, there we go, started doing something. So that is how you can record your screen. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.